I'm sorry I made you run so much.
It's okay.
Blue, I have to go.
You're gonna save them, aren't you?
Yeah. I have to at least try. I guess I always thought it was luck that brought me to them. What a joke. I was nothing but trouble for those guys from the beginning.
That's not true.
Yes, it is. But I honestly didn't remember anything. I just thought we could all make it to paradise. The whole way here, that's all that was going through my mind. And then we ended up in this place. That's why I have to go.
Then I'll go with you.
I knew you would say that, but I can't let you.
Why not?
I need you to wait here.
No, Hige, don't leave me behind.
I won't. Please, Blue. If I know you're waiting for me, I'll make it back no matter what. It's the only thing that can get me through this. If I know you're here, I won't give up. I'll do whatever it takes to come back to you. I promise I'll never leave you alone, Blue.